name is Lee Hartley. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at Novus Property Solutions. My career with Novus started nearly 30 years ago. Started as a trainee quantity surveyor. I've then progressed through the commercial roles throughout my career before being appointed to the Board of Directors in 2013 and then finally appointed Chief Executive in 2024. Our service has evolved over the years from what was a predominantly painting business to now providing overall property services solutions. So we'll now literally do anything from changing washers into taps to major large-scale planned refurbishment schemes of social housing through to hospital refurbishment, education refurbishment.
So our public services and commercial division is made up of 3 business units. We've got a fast track business unit which is a fast track fit out, mainly operating in hotels and student accommodation fit out in live environments. We have a partnerships division where we set up long-term contracts helping out education and healthcare authorities to do their long-term capital maintenance plans, and we've also got a major projects division which does our larger, more complex projects.
So our housing division looks after social housing throughout the UK. We actually split into sort of 3 divisions. First one being maintain, which is our responsive repairs, voids, cyclical work and planned works. We then have our sustain, which is our retrofit decarbonisation arm. And then we also have projects, which is where we do more larger projects and refurbishment works.
Making sure that we have ethical and sustainable partnerships with our supply chain is really important for Novus. We spend a lot of time onboarding suppliers in the right way, making sure they're clear of our expectations, we understand how they want to work with Novus, and encouraging best practice, for example about how we work together to minimise waste or maximise recycling. We try and make sure they're using and they're sourcing their products sustainably and making sure they're working to the relevant best practice.
What social value means to Novus, we are committed to building a legacy where people live, work and thrive. That's a part of our core ethos, and that's something that all of our client partners buy into. They want to work with a company that goes about doing business in a responsible way and also going above and beyond and making a difference in the communities that we're working.
Family owners and their family values really, I think, profoundly shape the way that we go about making our decisions. What they bring to our process is a really, they instill a real strong sense of integrity, tradition, and a commitment to our people, as well as our clients and our customers and our supply chain.
Our Novus employees are kind of the magic formula really. When they get involved with their skills and with their passion, they're working in the community, so they really get to know these communities. They're engaging daily with members of the public, so they can kind of work out what the priorities are and how they can make a difference. And when we bring that all together and Novus employees join together, volunteer their skills, improve community facilities or provide skills or work placements for the local community, it can have a massive impact on that local community. And it's something that I know from the feedback I get that Novus employees are really proud when they do play a part in that.
The biggest thing that motivates me as Chief Executive is seeing the success of our people. If they succeed, then it means the business succeeds. And to see people develop and achieve their career goals as well as their business goals really motivates me each day. My vision for the future for Novus Property Solutions is to become a partner of choice, delivering excellence to our customers whilst creating a better and more sustainable world.